Hey guys, this is Rocky Red Panda. It is Wednesday here at my channel. It is time for this week's food review. But before we get into anything, make sure you like and subscribe. That's right. Like and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos here at P&D Studios. Hit it. And welcome back, guys. Again, my name is Rocky Red Panda, and this is this week's food review. So this week we're going down to Frederick, Maryland. We're going to be talking about this place right here. This place is called Mayta's Peruvian Restaurant. Yes, now, why am I going to Frederick? Why am I talking Peruvian? There's one in Chambersburg. Yeah, I know there's one locally, but I fell in love with this the minute that I went there. Their food is absolutely delicious. But don't take my word for it. Just watch this video. So Mayta's Peruvian Restaurant is located in South Frederick, Maryland, in the shopping complex with Krispy Kreme donuts and Plato's Closet. Now, that's our excuse to get Krispy Kreme on the way home because, ooh, I love myself Krispy Kreme. Now, by looking at the establishment from the outside, you're not going to know it's a Peruvian restaurant until you see the sign. Mayta's Peruvian Restaurant. There's ample parking, of course, handicap parking, so you don't have to worry about that. Now, as soon as you walk in and sit down, you look around, it's quiet, it's quaint, it's peaceful, it's not overly decorated as you go to a lot of these Hispanic restaurants, especially Mexican restaurants, where it's like sombreros and pictures of, and that, and Mexican flag, hoopla. Yes, no, it wasn't overly done. Just simple colors, a few prints on the wall, tables, chairs, kitchen in the back door, and of course the bathrooms down that back alleyway. So it's a hallway, I should say, not alleyway, but it's pretty simple. Now, once you look at the menu, your mouth is going to water. Trust me. This is truly authentic Peruvian cuisine. Now, most people will be like, but what about Inca Kitchen in Chambersburg? Yeah, they're Peruvian, but this place has more stuff on their menu. Truly authentic. I love it. It's delicious. So the first thing that caught our eye on the menu, we did order this, is a thing called Pisco Sour. Now let me tell you a little bit about Pisco Sour. My mother's friend, who passed away last year, actually went down to Peru and she taught and did nursing and stuff down in Peru. And she loved Pisco Sour. She always talked about it. I've never had one, but hey, they have it on the menu here, so we figured we'd try it out. You know, maybe that's a way of saying, looking down upon us. It was the day before Christmas, so I said, okay, why not? So, what is a Pisco Sour? So, Pisco Sour is made with Pisco, lime juice, simple syrup, egg white, and Angostura Bitters. And my mother's friend was right. When you drink it, you do not taste the alcohol. Oof, it was just absolutely delicious. It was delicious, and we drank it in honor of my mother's friend. But the way you look at the menu, you got more things. We did order small things, say like What did we get here? I got some yucca fries as an appetizer. And then I got the Choco Loco. Now, what is a Choco Loco? If you saw the video, that's basically giant corn. It's beautiful. I've never seen corn that big before. But that's Peruvian corn. It's like, ugh. And of course, I love my yucca potatoes. But our main dishes. Let's talk about our main dishes. My mother got the spaghetti with the pesto sauce, the green sauce, with Lomo Saltado. My dad, he got the half Pollo Parrillo. But you got the half chicken. We'll just keep it simple there. And I got the Lomo Saltado with steak. Now the Lomo Saltado for me is what I usually go for. It's basically fried. It's basically white rice mixed with a stir fry on the underside of steak, French fries, vegetables in this absolutely amazing sauce. Now, why was it so delicious? Well, you have to think. In Peru, some of the Chinese came over and immigrated to Peru, so you got this Peruvian-Chinese mix, and that's where this Lomo Saltado came out from. It's just absolutely delicious. They also had stuff on the menu, say like ceviche, seafood, which is seafood marinated in fresh lime juice, potato glaze, corn kernels, and jihimon, and a lychee de tigre sauce. So, pretty good. Now, when you talk about prices, the most you're going to spend, the least you're going to spend is $1, and the most you're going to spend is up to $30 for a meal. Now, let's talk about the perks, guys. I know you guys like the perks. So we already talked about the parking. We talked about the atmosphere. How about the wait staff? Well, the wait staff is absolutely amazing. They're attentive. The owner comes out, greets you, serves your food, and pada, it's good food. Love it, love it, love it. So the wait staff is top notch. Now, what about handicap accessibility? Yes and yes. Is it big enough for large parties? Probably not. Maybe a small site, maybe about 5 or 6 people at the most. But a large party of 12? Definitely not. Do they have vegan, vegetarian, and gluten-free items on the menu? Yes, they do. They have all of that. Now, when you combine everything that I mentioned, I'm going to give Mayta's Peruvian Restaurant a good rating of a 9 out of 10. Huzzah! Thank you, Mayta. You guys are amazing. I will definitely be going back to you guys for awesome, authentic Peruvian food. And now, if you guys have not visited Mayta's, you should check them out. They're located in South Frederick, Maryland, in that shopping mall complex with the Krispy Kreme donuts. You can't miss it. Now, if you've been to Mayta's Peruvian, I want to hear your review or comments. Leave them in the comments section below. Now, what's coming up next week, guys? Next week, we're going over to Hagerstown, Maryland, to a place called Sushi Bomb. It's an all-you-can-eat sushi buffet. What? Yeah, all-you-can-eat sushi. So definitely stick around for that. But for now, this is Rocky Red Panda signing out for this week's food review. Stay fresh, you guys. Good eats. Till next week. Like and subscribe. Peace out.